I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have with us again today our student interns.
Hi, I'm Sonia.
Hi, I'm Carlina. So what are we making today?
We are making toothbrush splatter painting. So I used a shape, or I used a star, and I was able to create this cool stuff.
With a toothbrush, that's cool.
Yes.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before we get started, we're going to be doing a breathing exercise. So we're gonna pretend we're holding a toothbrush in our hand, and then as we breathe in, we're gonna be like brushing our teeth to one way, and then as we breathe out, we're gonna be brushing it the other way.
Okay.
And we're gonna be doing that 2 times together.
Okay.
So
All right.
So ready to do this craft.
Me too.
What supplies do we need today?
Paper, paint, toothbrush, tape, paper towels. Okay, so what is the first step now that we all have clean teeth from the breathing? What's the first step?
All right, so the first step is to decide what shape you want to do and then cut that shape out of paper or cardstock, cardboard. So I did a few heart shapes
Okay.
that I'm going to use.
I just took an old box and I'm going to do a tulip.
Out of cardstock, I just cut out a star.
Okay.
I did circles out of construction paper or cardstock.
Okay. Great. So what's next?
All right, so the second step is you're going to take your toothbrush and you're going to take your shape and put it on a piece of paper. I did cut mine in half, so it's like a nice smaller size. And you're going to dip it in some paint. You don't need that much at all. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger and you're going to run it across the bristle. So like this. So it kind of creates a nice little splatter effect.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
Cool.
Yeah. Otherwise, what you can do is you can tap the paint. I need a little bit more. You can tap the paint like this.
Okay.
And that kind of creates another splatter effect as well.
And it's good to cover your table in the places you're working because it does really splatter. Mine's splattering really well.
Yeah. Or if you have 2 toothbrushes, like I do, you can also put some paint on one and go like this. So it will have a more splattering effect.
Oh, great. Okay. How's everyone's coming? Mine is quite splattery and it's very relaxing.
Yes.
I
It
ended
feels
up,
cool.
yeah, I ended up taping mine down, my
Yeah,
shapes. So
that's a good idea. I'm just holding mine down, but
Yeah, me too.
Same.
I like the tapping.
Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna switch colors. So I just have a paper towel and I'm just taking the excess paint off, and then I'm gonna dip it in a different color and start splattering that way.
oh, okay. I'm just, my paints are all just mixed together and it's one big happy
Happy family.
splatter.
Yeah.
While we're working on this, I have a joke for you.
I'm trying to guess, Gail, is it going to be about a toothbrush, a flower, paint? I have no idea what joke you're going to tell.
All right, well, here goes. What does a tuba player use to brush their teeth?
What does it do?
I have no idea.
Okay, they use a tuba toothpaste.
I like that.
That one's a good one.
I will never let you down with coming up with a joke.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
must have been.
you always come up with good ones.
Thank you. So now I'm doing some tapping of the. How's everyone?
Trouble getting mine to splatter.
Good. I
Mine splattering.
I used a couple of colors. I used some blues and some reds. So
Oh, nice.
I have, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut my piece of paper a little bit smaller. So
Mhm.
all you can really see is the paint like this one.
That's a good
Okay, so
idea.
we'll all keep working on these. So I'm not gonna pull mine off quite yet, but here it is so far. You can see all the splatters around it.
Yeah, I'm
and
gonna,
the colors. Thank you.
I'm gonna-
I think it's gonna look really good when it's done.
there's one of my hearts came out.
Oh, that looks
Oh,
awesome.
that looks great, Peggy.
I like that you use pink
Cool.
construction paper too. So you have like the nice contrasting colors.
Contrast, right.
Yeah. So let's all keep working on these and then later wash our hands.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in the meantime, oh, that looks great.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
I did a lot of the tapping effect that worked for me.
That
Yeah,
looks great. Thanks all for coming. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
bye, have fun.
bye.
I